Welcome to Tambobo Bay. Go.
Welcome to Bobo Bay.
Hey Zoe, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Did you see cliffs? Did you see sea monsters?
Yeah, she kept calling Red. Red, where are you?
You were looking for Red the sea monster? That's from the show Sea Monsters. Did you go swimming?
Yeah.
Outstanding. All right, I'm here to scoop you. All right, everybody, hi. We're at Antulang Cliff Resort. Once a month, the ladies do a girls' night out, and last night, they stayed here in Antulang, and it's actually a really nice place. I guess they're putting it up for sale at some point, but like many real estate situations in the Philippines, it's in the courts right now because I think multiple people are claiming the land. So you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Is that right?
Zoe was tired. We were asking her early morning if she still want to swim. She said no, because she swam starting 3 p.m. to 7.
4 hours of swimming / drowning. Jumping, running.
It's on a swing.
Yeah, we'll go down the cliffs in a minute. They're having like a fire sale on rentals right now. It's 1,500 pesos for a bungalow. It's got air conditioning, double bed, single bed. With taxes and everything, it's about 1,875. Hello, drooly monster. Hello. It's kind of like off season or something. There's nobody else is here today. So, but we'll do a quick little tour. We'll go down the waterfront and stuff. I'm gonna try to just make this a 10-minute video because nobody wants to hear me babble for 20-30 minutes to do these two-parters. All right, obviously they have a swing here, and right now I'm going to go to the check-in center and check that out.
I'll go with you.
Okay, let's go. All right, just offside the parking area, which is nice and grass, is the reception area. This is where you come in. It is Christmas. It's been Christmas since September. And here's your check-in area. It's very nice, very accommodating. There was nobody here yesterday, so they let us check in a little bit early. And this is a beautiful overlooking spot. You got some nice furniture here. And that is just around, I believe this is hooking around towards the Sulu Sea. I'm not sure. I actually think that's further around the island. You can see there's a bunch of fishing boats out. Way over there is Mindanao. You can see the islands in the distance. Over yonder there is Cebu, and Apo is just around the corner. As you can see, this is a cliff resort.
You can see rocks.
Yeah, there's a lot of rocks. There's not a lot of beach swimming. But it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful location. I can only imagine when they sort this out in the courts how much this is going to be worth. I don't know if this is coral or if this is volcanic rock that they made this wall out of, but it's pretty cool. Well, I guess you got a little swimming area down there. What's cool is that's actually a bungalow. You can rent that right there. Yeah, there's Apo in the distance, Apo Island. It used to be one of the world's foremost scuba diving sites until Sendong hit it and damaged a lot of the coral. And yeah, it's really nice. It's a little warm today. But what's cool is the staff, the workers have built all kinds of like trails and ramps down so you can walk all along the water. It's really nice. And what's even nicer is there's nobody here. This looks like an antenna of some sort. Now keep in mind, right now, for some reason, there is no Wi-Fi here at Antulang. There is also no cable TV. Now you can look at that as a down, you know, as a negative and everything. But if you are looking to get away from the hustle and the bustle of the city, if you are tired to death of social media, of Twitter and Facebook and TikTok and Instagram, and you just want to get away for a couple nights to throw your phone in the corner, turn off your computer, grab a book, and relax, this would probably be the place to go. Although, because they're Filipinas, they figured a way to get data. So they actually had internet last night. All right, that's that. Right after this, we're gonna go down to Tambobo Bay because Zoey wants to see boats. Because, like we said, she's been watching this animated show over and over and over again called Sea Beast, which stars a sea monster. But is he really a monster or is he really a friend named Red? And Zoey loves that show.
She actually, when we went to the cliff there, she was calling Red.
Oh, she was calling out to the water for Red.
Yeah.
Red, where are you?
And then if Red didn't come out, she was Tampo.
All right, let's just run right down here real quick. I don't want to make this video too long. But again, there's nobody here. It's so nice. Also, just down the road, if you got a scooter or something, there's a marine preserve. So if you got your snorkel gear, yeah, look at this. This is your own private bungalow right here, looking out over the water. You can do some snorkeling over on the private reserve right around the corner. Sweet. Again, somebody tell me, is this volcanic rock or is this coral? It looks like volcanic rock.
So these are corals?
I don't know if they're coral or volcanic rock.
I think they're coral.
Probably coral. I like to think everything is volcanic rock. Where are we going? We're trying to keep this into a short video. All right. Also, if you want to upscale your experience here, there's a bunch of private, I guess you call them like bungalow things. It's supposed to be a jacuzzi, but it's not a jacuzzi. It's like its own little tub. All right. Oh.
Going to the pool.
All right, I'm gonna turn off the camera and we'll restart it when we get over there. All right, we have now hooked around towards the clubhouse, which is over there. And this is the pool area. This is actually a 15-foot pool right here for scuba diving training. And yeah, it's sort of like an infinity pool. If you're in it, you can look over into the distance. It's a very nice view. The last time we were here was brownout. So there was about 60,000, all right, slight exaggeration, 40,000 people here. And it was a little chaotic. But they got little chairs over in the shade you can sit at. They got adult pools. And they got shallow kiddie pools. It's really nice. And I love this, they have chaise lounge. Well, actually it's not. It's more like a bench with a table in front of it that you can put your feet up. And I would recommend putting that over in the shade because it's hot right now. So yeah. And again, over in the corner, we talked about the real nice ritzy places. Those cost about 5,000 pesos a night, which is it's under $100. But it's like an extended suite. You got your own little swimming pool type thing. They also have a restaurant, which is over in the clubhouse over there. And they got some sports stuff you can do. I think they got billiards, foosball, stuff like that. Pretty nice. All right, so now we're gonna get out of here and we're gonna go to Tambobo Bay because Zoey wants to find a boat so she can go on a cruise to try to find Red. Zoey, do you think we're gonna be able to find Red if we find a boat? Yeah, in Tambobo Bay? Are you gonna be the captain? You'll be Captain Zoey?
What's the name of the captain?
Ooh.
Captain Zoey. Captain. Oh.
And who's gonna be your first mate?
HR.
What about Chloe? Chloe could be your first mate. Or is she gonna be the bosun? She's already sort of got a whistle. Oh, that's a pacifier. Well, sort of same thing. Alright, you guys ready to get out of here? Go to Tambobo Bay?
Yeah.
Let's beat feet.
Say yes, I'm ready. Yes, say yes. Let's go.
Zoey, congratulations on winning the grand prize of the costume contest at the Hypermart Halloween
She won the
party the other day.
And the grand winner.
Yeah, she won the cutest and the grand winner. Now, surprisingly, all the kids had the same costumes from basically unitop, tops and bottoms and all that stuff. But for some reason, Zoey won.
I wonder why.
She was the only foreigner there. All right, let's go.
You don't want
You
to
can make it.
go.
Outstanding. Poor Janice is carrying our. Chloe's got to be like 30 pounds now. It's a good cardio workout.
Let's go, Ate.
Work those quads.